Another example. So imagine you're looking down on the floor and you see this tiny little ant. Okay. So now you're looking on the floor. All of you focus on this ant. Okay. What if this ant says to you, I don't believe you exist and I won't listen to you? You know, so this little tiny ant, imagine if you can hear it talking to you. So this ant is telling you, I don't believe you exist, by the way, and I won't even listen to you. So what will be our first reaction? We will probably, squish it. We'll say, so you believe I don't exist and you won't listen to me, you tiny little ant. The last thing it will say is yikes. And you will squish it probably, right? Did you understand? So basically, there's a small ant, tiny ant, who started saying you, I don't believe in you, you don't exist, whatever. And now you got angry and you just squish it. Another example. So do you see this view? So this view of the entire street is in front of you. Now, I want you to focus on the guy in the middle. This guy, I think he's a traffic police or a traffic warden, right? This one in the orange. Notice this guy? Very good. Let me zoom in to show you this guy. So here is this guy, little guy. Okay? Now, this one.
I cannot see.
This one. Do you see it now?
Now I can see, sir.
Excellent. So, this guy, tiny little guy, you are watching him from a building. Now, imagine this guy saying, while, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is looking from him from a sky. By the way, this is a building, it's not even the sky. So just imagine this guy being watched upon from Allah ta'ala from the sky with his angels and everything. And imagine this guy saying, I don't believe you exist, Allah ta'ala. So I don't believe. I won't listen to you. I won't pray. I won't fast during Ramadan. I won't go for Hajj. I won't listen. I will do bad things. All of this. What do you think should happen? Allah ta'ala, he can easily, just, do that. But he doesn't do that. You know why? You know why?
Because he is Rahman and Rahim.
Because he's Ar Rahman Ar Raheem.
Excellent. Because basically, because Allah Ta'ala is Ar Rahman Ar Raheem.